Hi everyone, I want to show you this cool bracelet that I got on Amazon. This was a super fun idea I had for me and my best friend. So these are cute little Morse code bracelets. So they don't have any like letters on them, but they are Morse code. And let me just show you what it is. So they're these really cute, dainty, kind of greenish, black and white bracelets. So they're really fun, really dainty. And so as you can see here, these dots are in Morse code. So what this one says is a beautiful badass. And on the back, it includes like the Morse code lettering system here. So you can see each of the dots is the spelling for beautiful badass. So this came in a cute little container and you just kind of wrap it around your wrist like so and hook it on just like that. And these are fun. These are a really great gift for best friends, for maybe bridesmaids. If you have someone special in your life and you just want to do a fun little matching bracelet, they have different sayings and these are just really, really cool. But I just love these. These are a good little gift and they are really durable, and the cutest little, if you can tell, the little charm is a heart that hangs down right there. So it's fun. It's also, she's my long distance best friend, so I sent her one easily off of Amazon. So it'll be kind of a fun little surprise that she'll get in the mail, just letting her know that I'm thinking of her. So if you are needing a little cute gift idea like this, or you just want to get it for yourself, these are great. Again, they're beautiful. The jewels on there and the cute little heart detail, I just couldn't pass up. So go get yourself one and go check out all their other options. They are really cool, they're fun, and a great gift idea.